Hey all, thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel. This is Making Sense of Credit, and I am Tony Hill. Welcome. First of all, I want to say thanks to all you guys who subscribe, and to you folks who are new, please subscribe. This channel is all about credit, personal, small business credit, hacks, information and content that you can use. I always like to put a unique perspective on credit. Um, I've been a personal and small business credit coach for many years. Used to own a credit repair company, no longer do that. But you can hire me. I am a personal and small business credit coach, and you get the credit repair for free. If you want to sign up, just go to Tony at makingsenseofcredit.com. That's Tony at making sense with a CENTS of credit.com. But welcome once again. Today I'm going to be talking to you about this is a tutorial on Experian. If you guys didn't catch the last one, I had one of my viewers or subscribers, Alana, go on to Experian, get something deleted within hours of her going on the same day. And once again, I've told you guys I've had stuff deleted within 24 hours, from 10 days to 24 hours. And it's a real thing. And no, you do not have to do only mail for your credit repair. That's not true. This credit business is not a cookie cutter thing. It's a lot of different situations. And some of these you'll find that they fit you. And if they don't, then use the other things that you're doing. And once again, you can do credit repair by yourself, and then also, but once again, you can certainly hire me to help you with that, which comes with my personal and small business credit consulting. Also, too, stay with me to the end of this video, and I'll have a credit hack for you. Off the top of my head, something that I'll think about that you can use. So I'm going to look at my computer, and you can follow along with me. Maybe something that you can use. The reason I don't show you my screen is because sometimes it's a little harder to follow along that way. But I just want you to get used to this site. You guys know, if you've seen any of my videos in the past, I'm an Experian guy. For one reason, once again, Experian.com, you're going to get true FICO scores. So I'm just going to do a tutorial on this. You guys can follow along, and hopefully you got your computer up. And first of all, go on Experian.com, and you're going to get the site, and then just click. Actually, before you even click anything, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and it's asking you how they can help. You can do disputes. You can do security freezes. If you're denied credit, you can do you can request your report. Also, until you can contact them, and then once again update The cool thing I like about their service is once you sign up with them, you can update every 30 days with your monitoring service, which is pretty cool. And then also the fraud alert. I'm just going to drop this while I'm talking about this. One thing about that, add fraud alert to your report, don't do it. I hate it. One thing about it, I've been doing this for 35 years. Lenders aren't going to give you money with a long, drawn-out fraud report. Just freeze your credit. It's better. And people will say, "Well, no, I put this fraud alert," and the guy was like, "Tony, I cannot get any credit." I said, "Well," I looked, and he sent me his bureau. I said, "Sir, the reason no one's going to lend you any money because you got this long, drawn-out fraud alert. Hey, I'm sorry that you went through the whole identity theft thing, but don't put that on there. Just freeze your accounts. It's better." I just wanted to drop that. But starting at the top, go back up. Cool thing is you can start for free, and then after 30 days, it's only $19.99. And also, too, you can a month, and you can actually get a tri-merge. You can add Equifax, and also you can add Transunion for a fee also. And I would encourage you to do that starting out. When you go to the site, click on get it for free. You'll see your Experian score and your credit report. Add a tri-merge where you got Equifax and Transunion, and away you go. Now you can't do an online dispute on Equifax and Transunion, but you can go to those sites directly and do a online dispute. And here's the credit hack about online disputes. If you know for sure that the credit bureau is not going to be able to verify that information, do it online. Don't waste the paper. Save the ink, save the stamp. Do it online. They can't verify it. They will have to delete it. They're going to delete it within 30 days. Most times, once again, like I told you, Experian deleting stuff within 24 hours to 10 days, the longest of 10 days. And I do this every day for my clients who get credit repair for me for free, along with my services. Equifax, I've seen 15 to 20 days. Transunion is kind of last. They're as soon as 23 days, but they could go up to the 28th, 29th, and close to the 30 days. But Transunion is always the worst in the last to update. Experian is the first to update, and Equifax is pretty good in the middle of the road. So, just so you know. So let me just start with, let's do let me walk you through their site. So when you go on, you sign up, you go in here, you start for free. It's going to take you to a screen where they're going to ask you, your information. So put your information there. They're going to say, tell us about you. Put your information there. Put your email address in there, and then the main reason that you're on there. I would just say, I always put for my clients accuracy. And then you click to the next screen and go through that. Put your information in, and then they're going to ask you some security questions that only you know. Once again, I always tell my clients, and if you try to do this thing for free, go to annualcreditreport.com. We can get all three of your bureaus for free. You go to credit. The only one you won't, you can get all three for free on Annual Credit Report. If you want to go the quicker way, let's say you're only doing Equifax and TransUnion, go to Credit Karma, print your report, or have your report up. So because they may ask you a question about something that's a while back, an old address, old auto loan or something like that that you finance. You may not remember what the monthly payments are. And if you miss a question, a lot of times they will kick you out, they'll lock you out. Then you have to call them to get your account unfrozen and then get back in. So prevent yourself from doing that. Make sure you know the information, old cell phone, old address, but have another report in front of you. That would be a good idea. And mostly if you're going to do it at Experian, because you're going to want to get on with them, you want to have annualcreditreport.com, because you can't get those reported with Credit Karma, and they only give you Equifax and TransUnion. So going forward, so as soon as you get that, you're going to go in. Then once you get in, look at your report. You can add Equifax and TransUnion. You can once you get signed in, there's so many things you can do. You can dispute. So if you go down to the bottom, it'll say Dispute Center. Click that, click Dispute Center, and it's going to come up, start a new dispute. So once again, on Experian, stuff that they will not verify because you call that lender and they have no record of it. Those are the ones you want to dispute. If you have something active and they're going to verify it, don't dispute those. And then you're more likely going to have to go the 609 way. If you guys watching me, I'm sure you're doing a research on what a 609 is. It's a loophole, so check it out, research it, whatever the case may be. But online disputes are for information, are mostly for information that that the lender or the lender is not going to verify. So, or the creditor, is not going to verify. Who could be a lender? So, those are the ones that you want to dispute online, and generally they'll come off quickly. Once again, there's no cookie cutter. Some of these experts tell you that only do stuff by mail. If not, you're hurting yourself. Not true. Once again, Alana, who was one of my clients, proved that by getting her stuff deleted within hours of her dispute on Experian. So a lot of good information. Go through. They got a section also. Learn the site. Learn the reports. They got a section when you go to FICO scores, which I love, and learn about the different FICO scores. Actually, they got, when you click on there, they have, go to additional, where it says additional FICO scores, which is pretty cool. And you can't get additional FICO scores for Equifax or Transunion, but you can get additional FICO scores for Experian. FICO 2, which is the mortgage, the auto lending score, FICO 2. You get credit card lending, which is also a different FICO bank card 2. So once again, learn this site and how it works, because it's a huge benefit. It's worth the $19.95. And look, I'm not an affiliate. I can't be. I can be affiliate because I do credit repair for my clients for free. And so anyone that's doing credit repair, so to speak, for their clients can be an affiliate of Experian. And don't need to. I don't need to make money off those guys. I'm here for you guys to drop some good content and free content that you can use. And my last thing is, if you watch my last video, this is just kind of a repeat of that one. So sometimes you guys, I know, don't watch all the videos, and if that one don't pertain to you, no problem. But one thing about Experian is that if you get to the end, once you know, let's say for instance, if you don't know this, your inquiries are on your credit bureau for 2 years. The credit hack I'm going to give you today is up until you can actually dispute on, and this one, all 3 bureaus, call them within 2 months of that inquiry being deleted. Call them and ask for it to be deleted right away when you're within 2 months of the deletion time. And 99.9% of the time they will delete it. And also too, you can do it by mail, and you can do it over the phone. And you can do it online. You can do it online and ask them to dispute those credit bureaus that are going to expire 2 months prior to them coming off. So just a little credit hack for you. But hey, hopefully you got some out of this video. Once again, thank you for being with me. Also too, I forgot, if you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends and family, make a comment on it, and then also click that little bell for upcoming content in the future. And once again, thank you for being with me on my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit. Until I make some more sense of credit the next time in the next video, folks. Peace. I'm out.